Get into the 2014 Kia Soul. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this spacious and tech-rich Soul. Enter its iconic space and discover a roomy cabin that's ideal for moving people as well as cargo. Hatchback practicality makes your life easier, while a suite of safety and infotainment technology builds comfort and confidence into every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Add a little soul to your life. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.